What's up, guys? It's Mark with Rainford Media Group, and today we're bringing you a video on technical analysis, all right?
Take me way, way out. I was just going on the run. Going way, way out. I paid the dues with my son. Moved them way, way out. Took the detour, made a reroute.
All right, so what is technical analysis, all right? Technical analysis are a bunch of tools that we use as traders to determine price movement and price fluctuations and try to make sense of it, all right? It's not always right, but a lot of the times it is, and it's a great tool to use to get the best value of a stock, right? So when you're purchasing stocks in the stock market, it's like, how can I compare it? It's like going to the grocery store and you see something on sale, and then the next day it's getting priced at a premium. All right, so you buy something at $30. It's the same product, it's the same thing, nothing changes, and then the price fluctuates up to $40, right? This is what the technical analysis helps us do in the stock market. It helps us get deals on stocks. That's how I like to kind of put it, right? You want to get a good deal, okay? So what we're going to talk about is two indicators. All right. Furthermore, we're going to talk about the charts. All right. So if you've seen the charts and the fluctuations going up and down, I'm going to explain most of that screen. I can't pack everything into this video, so I'm pretty sure there's going to be a part two. But I'm going to explain all that. And we're going to talk about two indicators that I like to use a lot. And that's the MACD indicator, which is the moving average convergence divergence, which kind of shows the trend that the stock is going in. And we're going to look at relative strength index, which determines if the stock is overbought or if the stock is oversold. All right. So if you have a stock that you like and it's oversold, that might be like, hey, it's cheap right now. All right. So maybe that might be a good time to get into that asset. Okay. So I'm going to break all that down on the computer, and we're going to look through everything and show you how to gauge the charts, all right? How to look at the stock charts, all right, and how to make sense of it, all right? So let's get into it. All right, guys. So today we're going to be taking a look at CVNA, Carvana, and what they do is they sell used cars. But I'm going to get a little bit more specific on that, give you the exact company overview here at the bottom. Carvana is an e-commerce platform for buying used cars. On the company's platform, consumers can research and identify a vehicle, inspect it using its proprietary 360-degree vehicle imaging technology, obtain financing and warranty coverage, purchase the vehicle, and schedule delivery or pickup all from their desktop or mobile devices. The company's transaction technologies and online platform transform a traditionally time-consuming process by allowing customers to secure financing, complete a purchase, and schedule delivery online. All right, so that sounds pretty good, right? New cars aren't selling as much because used cars are lasting longer. All right, plain and simple. Okay, so why would you go out and get a new car when the one you have is working? All right, so this is perfect. It makes the whole used car buying experience easy, right? There's more that goes into it, like their earnings, the numbers, if the company is profitable and stuff like that. But I think it will. Okay, I think it will be, and I think it'll do good in the future. But we're gonna see if it's the right time, the right time to get into that stock, because it could be overbought. So let's take a look at the charts. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to trading, and then we're gonna go to Power E-Trade, and I'm just gonna fast forward over there real quick. All right, so this is the chart for Carvana, all right, and I have it set for 3 months. Okay, you can set it for different time periods: 1 month, 10 days, 5 days, whichever one you decide to do. Okay, I'm not gonna get too much on which one you should use for which trading, particularly in this video. Okay, I want to kind of stay focused on what I need to stay focused on. But anyway, okay, so bulls drive the price up, bears drive the price down. All right. So when it's green, that's the bulls driving the price up. That's buying. When it's red, that's bears driving the price down. That's selling going on, okay? So what the MACD and what the RSI does is it can give you a gauge of if the price is going to go up or if the price is going to go down. One thing I do want you to really take heed on is that nothing is guaranteed in the market, all right? It's just from past moving averages, okay? But there's something about the psychology in the market that it does end up being right, okay? most of the time. Okay, I'll be honest with you, but you have to sell at the right time. You have to buy at the right time. Okay, you have to be on it, but it does work. Okay, so right now we're going to look at the MACD. Okay, so we're going to go up to studies and we're going to go to MACD. All right. All right, so bear with me. All right, I'm going to try to explain this thing. Okay, the MACD has a fast moving average and a slow moving average period. The relationship between the two gives you the MACD line. All right, from the MACD, there's an exponential moving average, okay, that gives you the signal to buy or sell. All right, so the moving average for that signal is the 9-day exponential moving average. All right. It also shows the increasing bar, which I'll point out, and it shows the decreasing bar, which I'll point out as well. All right. The MACD is white. It's the MACD. It's the Mac Daddy. All right. So let's get that thing. Let's make it pink. All right. So let's make it pink. All right. That's a little too close to red. All right. So I changed my mind. Let's make it. I don't know. Just make it blue. That's a cool color, right? All right. So we made the MACD blue. Okay, so what this does is the signal line right here gives you the signal to buy or sell. All right, when these two lines cross, the MACD and the signal line, when these two lines cross, it gives you the signal to buy, sell, or sell short, which is the opposite of buying. Okay, you want the price to go down and you make the difference. All right, that's shorting. But let's just look at buying. So right here is a real good. No, not right here, I'm sorry. Right here is a real good buying signal, okay? So if you buy right when the signal line and the MACD cross right here, right around 34, you can see the price movement goes from 34 all the way up to around that 50 mark, okay? And like I said, it's not always that good, all right? It's not always that spot on, okay? But it's a good way to gauge the trend and see if the buyers are buying or if the sellers are selling. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, and this shows the this is what I was talking about right here, the green and the red bars, the increasing bar and decreasing bar. Okay, and also when it crosses, you can look right here. Right, it's the same thing. So when that volume starts to cross into bearish territory, it signals are selling. When it starts to cross into bullish territory, it signals the buying. All right. Okay. So second, we're gonna look at the RSI. So I'll get rid of the Mac Daddy and we'll go look at the RSI. So I'm gonna go to Studies and go to RSI. All right. All right. So RSI, we're just gonna go with the standard format. Okay. So it's over a 14-day period. All right. Let's set the color to white. That's fine. Show zones. All right. So this is gonna show the line at 80. This is gonna show the line at 20. Okay, under 30 is oversold, and above 70 is going to be around your overbought mark for RSI. All right, so let's just take a dive in that and see what's going on for the 3-month period of Carvana. Right, so you can see it's right just above 70. Okay, so using the relative strength index, all right, it says that it's overbought. All right, so we might want to wait for a little pullback to see if we can get a better deal on this stock. Okay, so let's go. And another thing I like to do is I like to combine them. Okay, what I do is I combine about 3 of these indicators, and if they all mark in the same direction, then that signals a buy for me on top of being a good company. All right, on top of the fundamentals, right? So that's what I do personally. So I'm just going to use 2 right now. So I'm going to combine the 2 we talked about, the MACD and the RSI. So I'm going to go up to Studies, and I'm going to go grab that, grab the Mac Daddy. All right. So let's do that as well. And look at that. So as you can see right here, this is starting to flatten out right here. All right. And you can see the volume is starting to get a little bearish right here. Okay, that decreasing bar, right, starting to decrease. Okay, so yeah, that might be a time to either think about selling the stock. All right, if you're short term, right. I know there's a lot of long term people out there, right, that will just buy and hold and buy more when it goes down. Right, so you can either decide to think about maybe shorting soon right here. Okay, think about selling soon if you have your stocks right here. All right, if you bought your stocks down here and you got a good margin of profit, all right, you might want to capture that. So you might want to think about selling right there. Or if you like the stock like that, okay, you can wait for that pullback and buy more at a better price and let it and let that money compound on itself. All right, which is definitely a smart thing to do. Okay, and that's all I got for this video, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, thanks again for watching another video. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And if you have any questions for me about any of this, alright, my Instagram link somewhere around here, maybe in the comment box. Yeah, I'm going to put it in the comment box. And yeah, feel free to ask me questions about anything. If I didn't post yet, I can't pack everything in one video, alright? So I'm really good about, texting, DMing, and helping people through whatever they have going on. Alright, so yeah, I have another video coming soon. Mark Rainford with Rainford Media Group. Until next time. Later.